This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set a priority for chat flows in HubSpot. In the world of digital marketing, especially as we move towards 2026, setting a priority for your chat flows is crucial. It allows you to tailor your customer interactions by ensuring that high value sponsors encounter your brand pitch bot, while more casual visitors engage with your general FAQ agent. This prioritization becomes particularly important when multiple chat flows target the same page URL or visitor criteria, as HubSpot evaluates them in a specific order. The chat flow at the top of your list will always take precedence. Let's dive into how you can set and reorder priorities for your chat flows. Start by navigating to the chat flow section in HubSpot. Depending on how your HubSpot account is set up, you can find it under either service or automation, then click on Chat Flows. Once you're in this section, you will see a table listing all your active chat flows. This table is not just a list, it represents the priority order of your chat flows. The way they appear here dictates the sequence in which they are evaluated by the system. To change the priority, you'll be using a simple drag and drop method. Look for the handle, which appears as a dotted icon on the far left of each chat flow row. This handle allows you to click and drag the chat flow up or down, changing its rank within the list. It's a straightforward way to ensure that your most important chat flows are given precedence. If you have a long list of chat flows, navigating them might seem daunting, but don't worry. HubSpot provides an easy way to move chat flows to the top or bottom of your list using the More menu. Simply hover over a chat flow and click on the More drop-down menu. From there, you have a couple of options. You can select Move to Top Priority to instantly jump the bot to the number one spot, or choose Move to Bottom Priority to send it to the end of the line. This feature is particularly useful when managing extensive lists, as it saves you time and effort by quickly repositioning your chat flows. By following these steps, you ensure that your chat flows are aligned with your business goals, effectively managing visitor interactions based on their value and relevance. Prioritizing chat flows allows you to create a seamless user experience, ensuring that each visitor is met with the most appropriate engagement tool for their needs. Remember, setting priorities isn't just about organizing your chat flows, it's about strategically positioning your business to deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. With these tools and tips, you're now equipped to optimize your chat flow strategy in HubSpot, enhancing both customer experience and engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing.